In this one, I'm going to be showing you my £2,000 PC build as of the end of September 2023. So I've got my case, which is a Corsair 4000D Airflow. I've got my CPU, which I've gone with an AMD Ryzen 9 7900X. What else have we got? We've got my graphics card. I've gone with an AMD RX 7900 XT, just the Sapphire Pulse version. This one was the cheapest version. The motherboard, I've just gone for an Aorus B650 Elite AX. What else have I got? I've got an 850 watt power supply. I've gone with a 2TB SSD storage device. I've got a Corsair 32GB DDR5 RAM, and then for my CPU cooling, I've got a Liquid Freezer 2 360, which is an AIO liquid cooler.